Good morning, students. A very warm good morning to all of you. Welcome to Standard 1 in GK video. And children, this is my third video of this week. In this video, today I am going to make you revise the two chapters. Chapter 16, Places of Worship, and the chapter 27, Things Made of. So, what's first you will do the what things made of. There you will write you will have to write two example from the things which are made of. Okay, like leather. There you will write the two things name which is made of leather. So first, what do you know, children? Yes, leather is what leather is animal skin and hide used as clothing, footwear, handbags, belts, sports and equipments. So there you will write only two. There you will write only two. So you can write here belt also. B, you will write there two example of made of things made of leather. BELT, belt. And also you can write here what? Footwear and what? And handbags. There you can write handbags. HAND, hand. BAGS, bags, handbags. The two things which are made of leather is belt and handbags. Now next one is here. Next, rubber. Spelling RUBBER, rubber. And what do you know, children? Yes, about the what natural rubber is a plant product which is used for making what horses, matting, flooring, medical gloves, and much more. But there you will write only two, the things which are made of rubber. So you can write here tire. You can see this picture. Tire spelling TYRE. TYRE, tire. Or you can see there, you can write here gloves. So there you will write GLOVES, gloves. These two things are made of rubber. Now next, plastic. There you will write two things name which are made of plastic. And also, what do you know, children? Yes, plastic is a popular useful material, but we use too much of it. It is important that we reuse and recycle plastic as much as possible. So we should avoid the things which are made of plastic. Okay, why? Because it does not dissolve, and it takes many years to dissolve in soil. So but there you will write only the two things which are made of plastic, and this is very popular and useful material. So plastic, you can write here what? Bucket. Spelling BUCKET, bucket. Or you can write here mug. MUG, mug, bucket and mug. Now next, glass. You will write here two things which are made of glass. And children, glass is 100% recyclable and can be recycled without loss any quality. Without loss in quality. Okay, children. So there you can write here ball. You can see in this picture ball, BOWL, bowl. BOWL, bowl. And you can one more. You can write the what also? Bottle also. Some bottles which are made of glass. BOTTLE, bottle also. Jar also, JAR, jar. Okay, these all things are made of glass. Now next, wood. Spelling WOOD, wood. Wood used for construction work is commonly known as timber or lumber. And what? Also there you will write only the two things which are made of wood. So you can write here bed, BED, bed. Or chair, CHAIR, chair. Also you can write table. These all things are made of wood. Now next, steel. Okay, steel. So what, children? Yes, steel. Stainless steel has a long life cycle and is 100% recyclable. And there you can write here spoon and fork. Okay, spoon, 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 spoon. And fork, FORK, fork. Okay, FORK, fork. So children, these only you will write two name of things which are made of the following. So now children, after that you all will do another work which are related to the chapter 16. You all have to write the name of the holy book for the following religions, like Hindus. What do you know children? Yes, Hindus, Bhagavad Gita, Bhagwad, Bhagavad Gita. Yes, the Bhagavad Gita is the holy book of Hindus, and Hindus go to a temple to pray. They worship many god and goddess. Okay. Now after that, next one is here Muslims. What is the holy book? What is the name of what Muslim holy book? Yes, children, Quran. Spelling Quran. Quran. The holy book of Muslims is Quran, and Muslims pray in mosque. And Quran is the holy book of Muslim. So there you will write Muslims holy book name is Quran. 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 Now Christians Bible. Christians Bible. The holy book of Christian is Bible. 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 And also, what do you know about this? Christian go to church to pray, and they pray to Jesus Christ, and the Bible is their holy book name. So Bible. Bible. Now next 6. What is the holy book of Sikh is Guru Granth Sahib. Guru Granth Sahib. Guru. Guru. Granth. Granth. Sahib. Sahib. Guru Granth Sahib. And Sikhs go to Gurudwara to pray. Sikhs have 10 gurus. And the first guru was Guru Dev Ji, and who started the Sikh religions, and what the name of the holy book is Guru Granth Sahib. Guru Granth Sahib. And Sikhs go to Gurudwara to pray, my dear. Okay children, so these holy book name you all have to write down in your copy. There are only 4. You all will write it nicely. Okay, once again I am just making you revise. Hindus Bhagavad Gita, Muslim Quran, Christian Bible, and Sikhs Guru Granth Sahib. So children, at last what do you know? Yes, God is only one, but we have given different names, like Muslims call him Allah, Hindus call him Bhagwan. But always remember children, God is only one. So we should always respect to all religions. Okay children, we should always give respect. So hope you all have understood very nicely. So first you all will read these 2 chapters, chapter 16 and the chapter 27, the things made of. And then after you will write in your copy 2 work. The first work is there, just give 2 example from each for each. Okay, and then after you will write the holy book of the given religions. Okay children, so hope you all have understood. So at last I would like to say you thank you for watching this video till end. So have a wonderful day, and bye bye you all. So take care my dear.